Hello and welcome. This is Victor Uniform number 3 Zulu Alpha Golf Suraj here, and welcome back to my channel. This is a short video on micro-SDX transceiver. So this is a prototype and homebrewed micro-SDX transceiver which I use for my HF operation. So let's see, this is actually built inside this powder coated aluminum box, and on front side we have this LCD display, and these are two sockets, one for earphone and one for mic and PTT. And top side we have these two buttons, one is for enter function and one is for mode function. And this 3.5 mm audio jack or socket is used for cat control. On the back side we have this 12-volt power input pin, and this will also act as power supply for recharging the batteries. And this is on off switch, and this is the antenna port. So let's open it and have a quick view. I have already unscrewed the screws. So here we can see this is the main board, that is micro-SDX version 1.02 board, and on top of that this is my low pass filter board which I fixed on the slot where I can fix the low pass filter board. And also I have extended I to C wirings so that I can control this low pass filter. As of now it will operate in dual band, that is one for 20 meter and one for 40 meter. And in addition I have fixed a small speaker around here, and a small amplifier built around LM386, that is around here. And I also use this serial to parallel converter module so that I can save some pins in this particular microcontroller. And yes, I have done some additional power supply solution for this, and this is a 3S module, 3S BMS module, that is used for recharging this particular 3 lithium-ion batteries. So the entire unit works at around 11.7 volt. So this is my setup here, and also if you notice, you can find that I have used this adapter here. That is because the main PCB, it supports SOIC type package of this FST3253. Since I was unable to find the FST3253 with the package of SOIC, I managed to do this workaround, and I have used this TSSOP type package. So it's a bit hectic to solder it on the main board, but yes, I have managed it and still working. So that's it from my end. This is a very short demonstration on my micro-SDX transceiver. Now coming to power input and power output. So the unit, this one works in 11.7 volt, as well as we can provide an external power supply here. I have tried up to 15 volts. So the maximum RF output I'm getting with batteries is around 3 watts for 40 meter, and going up the power gets reduced to 1 watt. So I suspect that it is due to this normal capacitors that I have used here, since it's very hard to find NPO type capacitors here in India. So let's check out. In case if I find some sources on that, we'll surely try and update. So that's all from my end. Thanks for watching. And yes, as you notice, this is the same SOTA tuner that I am using currently to work with this QRP radio. The details of this particular tuner is already shared in another video. You can watch that also if you have time. So that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. 7 threes. Bye bye.